Sky baby. हाँ baby. You want पानी? प्यास लग रहा है? प्यास लग रहा है स्काई को? Okay okay. Okay okay. स्काई की मस्ती हद पार हो चुकी है, इसलिए मैं और मम्मी अभी कैरेट ये इसलिए हम लोग अभी स्काई के लिए लीश लेने जा रहे हैं. Like to be. She don't like. She don't. I'm on my way to see a puppy. Ansi will be waiting for me at Kalyan station and I'm very excited. I still remember the day I met Sky. As soon as I held her, I just knew that, she's the one. Like, she is going to be my Sky. She was covered in dirt, so we had to first give her a bath. And then we finally took her home. When we reached home, Sky seemed to be comfortable, but she was very quiet and calm. Maybe she was too young to be playful. I just didn't know what to do and how to take care of Sky because it was my first time taking care of a puppy. So even I was growing and learning along with Sky. On some days, she used to randomly start howling in the middle of the night, and I was clueless. I just didn't know what to do. Her cute little puppy face and her pretty blue eyes kept reminding me that it's gonna be fine. Let's run. Chal. With every passing day, she was starting to be herself. She was super playful and she used to love socializing. She mastered all the tricks that were taught to her. And my dad, he was making food for her now. We went for long walks, and all I wanted was to be around her. She was super fast now. She knew where we stayed. Good girl, Skyo. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel and yet another vlog. Sky. Guys, it's time that you all meet Sky. So I was waiting for the right time, for Sky to settle in, start listening things, be still in front of the camera, which obviously never happened. So वो सब के चक्कर में Sky कब इतनी बड़ी हो गई मुझे पता भी नहीं चला. इतना आतंक मचा के रख देता ना यहाँ पे. राइट नाउ स्काई इज 3 months old is what we are guessing. तो okay, let me tell you the story. We were searching to adopt a puppy in the month of I guess September, October at that point of time in 2020. So and then eventually college शुरू हो गया ये this and that, and then we dropped the whole idea of getting a puppy home. And then suddenly in the month of March, Ansi sent me a picture. She called me up saying ki, are you still looking to adopt a puppy? And my dad is super scared of dogs. Like he was like, अगर तुम लोग घर पे पपी को लेकर आओगे तो तुम लोग ना पपी तुम लोग कोई भी घर पे नहीं रहोगे. ये घर पे कोई डॉग नहीं आने वाला है, नहीं रह सकता मेरे होते हुए करके. That was dad. And on the other hand, mom was like classic dialogue. Already घर पे 2 नहीं 3 कुत्ते हैं तो और एक क्यों चाहिए ऐसा. तो दैट वाज द सिचुएशन. एंड सो मैंने घर पे फोटोज दिखाया. मेरा स्किन गया स्काई. तो मैंने घर पे फोटो दिखाया एंड देन दे वर लाइक ठीक है लेकर आ जाओ ऐसे में. आई वाज शॉक्ड एंड आई वाज लाइक वी आर वेस्टिंग नो मोर टाइम, डेफिनेटली गोइंग एंड गेटिंग हर होम. And at that point of time, I didn't even know कि पपी का जेंडर क्या है, कितना मंथ्स का है वो. I didn't know anything about her, okay? But one thing I was very certain about is my first puppy, no matter if he's a boy or if puppy is a girl, I'm gonna name her Sky. So yeah, which I did. Look at him, yes. Which I did because I am a huge admirer of Sky. So I was like, my dog will be something I will admire all my life. I'm so shocked. She's still sitting with me, like she's in my arms, Abhivi, which is so rare. I feel this is the longest. But yeah, she's busy. She's always busy with something or the other. The knowledge that I've gained about Sky is that she's a mixed breed. She is a Weimaraner and Indie breed ka cross. So her dad is a Weimaraner and her mom is a Indie dog. Sky! Sky, see! Sky baby, Sky my baby, Sky, Sky, look at me, Sky. Oh my god, oh my god.